So welcome to my Damon Paul collector channel here on YouTube. I have a brand new car from Tomica, Takara, Tomy. So this is the premium car, the Evo from Too Fast Too Furious. So look at this. Now we unboxing this car, and yeah, I will say that this car is really amazing, and I love this box, and this looks really amazing. So we unboxing this now. It's really easy to open this car, this box, and here. So now it's open, really easy. So first, this box looks really cool. Number one. So this is the brand, the Fast and the Furious, not in English, but this looks amazing too. So now we look in the car. There is the car. So here is the Evo from Too Fast Too Furious, the Mitsubishi, and I think the details are really cool. You can see the seats inside. Oh yeah, this is cool, but I cannot open the doors. How the skyline. So yeah, here's the window. We cannot open this. So, but no license plate, and yeah, but I think it looks really cool. Look at the Mitsubishi logo. The color is amazing. How the original screen used Evo. So yeah, so my friends, so this was the Evo from Too Fast Too Furious, Tomica, Takara, and I know which cars are coming next year, 2023, but I will say that wait and Tomica make brand new stuff of the Fast and the Furious next year, and yeah. So this was it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, and see you next time for all my stuff. Fast and Furious, Knight Rider, Back to the Future, and so see you, Damon Paul. Bye bye.